Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and instead of seeing stress-inducing numbers, you see deposits rolling in, consistently. Imagine working on projects that not only excite you, but also command six-figure incomes. The reality? Most people are stuck in careers that are already dying. While they're working harder for less, a select few are learning the high-income skills that companies and clients are willing to pay top dollar for. The question is, will you be one of them? In this video, I'm going to reveal the most in-demand and highest-paying skills for 2025. Skills that will not only make you money, but will make you wealthy. And I won't just tell you what these skills are. I'll show you how and where to learn them. Whether you're starting from scratch or already have experience, stay until the end because one of these skills has the power to turn you into a millionaire faster than you think. Let's be brutally honest. Traditional jobs are disappearing. AI, automation, and economic shifts are erasing entire industries overnight. And if you think your college degree guarantees financial security, let me break it to you. It doesn't. The people who adapt to the new economy are the ones who win. The rest, they'll be left behind. But here's the good news. While some jobs are disappearing, new opportunities are exploding. The secret? Knowing where to look. So let's dive into the top skills that will put you in the highest earning bracket in 2025. Let's talk now of some top high-paying skills for 2025. Number 1, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI isn't coming. It's already here, and it's transforming every industry. Businesses are scrambling to hire AI engineers, machine learning specialists, and data scientists who can create AI-driven solutions. Whether it's self-driving cars, personalized recommendation algorithms, or business automation, AI is the gold rush of our generation. The best part? The salaries are insane. AI engineers make between $150,000 and $300,000 per year. And for top-tier experts, the sky is the limit. And no, you don't need a PhD to get into AI. Many successful AI professionals started with online courses and built their expertise through hands-on projects. And if you think AI is only for tech geeks, wait until you hear about the next skill. It's something anyone can master, and companies will pay you thousands for it. Number 2, cybersecurity. Cybercrime is a trillion-dollar problem. Hackers are stealing data, shutting down businesses, and even crippling entire economies. This is why companies are desperate for cybersecurity experts who can protect their systems. Ethical hackers, penetration testers, and security analysts are making anywhere from $120,000 to $250,000 per year, and demand is skyrocketing. What's exciting about cybersecurity is that it's a field where skill matters more than degrees. If you can prove you can secure a system, companies will throw money at you. Plus, it's probably the only legal way to get paid to hack into systems. But if hacking isn't your thing, don't worry. The next skill is perfect if you love creativity and making money. Number 3, digital marketing and AI-powered advertising. Let's face it, businesses can't survive without customers. And in 2025, companies will spend billions on digital marketing. The best marketers don't just make a good salary, they print money. If you master AI-powered advertising, sales funnels, and conversion optimization, you'll be one of the most valuable people in any industry. What's exciting about digital marketing? It's a skill you can use anywhere. You can get hired by big companies, start your own agency, or even sell your own products online. And the best part? You can start with zero money. Now let's talk about a skill that can literally double your income without switching careers. Number 4, high-ticket sales and persuasion. The ability to sell is the ultimate wealth-building skill. If you can persuade, negotiate, and close deals, you'll never be broke. Whether it's selling high-end real estate, premium coaching programs, or enterprise software, skilled sales professionals can easily make $200,000 to $500,000 per year. But what if I told you there's a skill that will put you ahead of every professional on this list? In number 5, financial literacy and investing. Most people know how to earn money, but very few know how to multiply it. Mastering investing, real estate, and wealth management is the difference between being rich and being wealthy. Now that you know the most in-demand and highly paid skills for 2025, the question is, what are you going to do with this information? Will you take action, or will you keep waiting while others get ahead? Pick one skill, start learning today. Your future self will thank you. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What skill are you learning in 2025?